When you're solving multi-step equations, the goal is to get the whole numbers to one side of the equation and the variables all to the other side of the equation. So in order to do that, we start moving things. So I'm going to move this x. You can move whole numbers or variables, it doesn't matter. I'm choosing to start with this x. So x minus x is 0x, so that's going to eliminate it from this side. And just the rules of algebra as a reminder, you do whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other side of the equation. So 3x minus 1x is going to be 2x plus 5 equals negative 7. And our goal is to get that x term by itself and to get the whole numbers to the opposite side. So in order to do that, I'm going to subtract. I'm going to do the opposite sign. Subtract 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So we're left with 2x equals negative 12. And 2 is being multiplied by x. So in order to get them apart, we're going to divide. We're going to do the opposite operation. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we're left with 1x equals negative 6. In this next example, 2 is being distributed or multiplied times everything in the parentheses. So 2 times 2a is 4a. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. And then we'll bring down everything else. Next, I'm going to start with the variables again. Subtract 5a from both sides. 5a minus 5a is 0a, eliminating it from the right side. And then again, we want to get that a term by itself, so we're going to do the opposite sign, opposite operation, eliminate that 6. So we're left with negative 1a equals 10. And then in order to finish this, negative 1 is being multiplied by a, so we're going to do the opposite operation and divide in order to eliminate that negative sign, and we'll get a equals negative 10.